Hello my fellow composers and welcome to the Composing Cook. I'm going to make for you today some deep pan mini pizzas. To begin with, I said mini pizzas. So what I have here is a muffin tin and I have basically lined it with bread. Now, how did I do that? Right, what you need is the cheapest white bread you get. You know, the stuff which is quite spongy and, you know, don't go for anything expensive. You want to go for a cheap...
Cheap is good.
White loaf, okay? What you do is you butter it on both sides, like you take the...
Crust off,
like so. Butter it on both sides, and then you take it...
And ram it in.
You ram it in. And the reason you use the cheap plastic bread is because you can really mould it, like so. It almost becomes like dough.
It's not about tidiness on these.
Oh, when they cook, they look amazing because they go crusty. I've got some salsa. Let's just put 1 teaspoon at the bottom of each. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some ham. Now this is cooked ham. I actually made this ham. This is actually my cranberry glazed ham. I'll put a link up here. But you can buy some cooked ham, and you want to basically chop it into cubes this size, 1 centimetre cubes roughly. All right, let's put about 1, 2, 3, 4 in each, yeah. Now what I will do is I won't go through the quantities now, I will put them down below in the description section, okay? So what we're going to add to that now is some hot pepperoni, all right? Now, I'm going to basically just chop it into... Let's do 4 slices in each, like so. So what I've got here is some pitted olives, which I have cut in half. So let's go for one olive in each, like so. Now, I'm gonna add some jalapenos, which I have chopped up. I'll chop them up quite finely, just a bit in each. And to finish off, cheddar cheese. Extra mature cheddar cheese, please. And actually, while we're here, don't forget, my fellow composers, if you're enjoying my videos, to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification button. There we go, look at that. Perfect. Nice. Now I've got my oven preheated at 180 degrees. So let's put these in the oven for between 15 and 20 minutes. And you might be wondering what I did with the crusts from the bread. I didn't throw them away, oh no. What I did was I put them in my processor over here and I blitzed them into breadcrumbs. So what I will do with these now is I will put them in a container and put them in the freezer and use them as and when I need them. What I've got here is actually some already frozen breadcrumbs. I just wanted to show you that even when you freeze them, they are still usable, so you don't have to defrost them. So when you need to cook anything with breadcrumbs, just get them out of your freezer and use them and put the rest away. Very simple, very quick, very efficient. Okay? There we go. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to let them rest for 5 to 10 minutes, then I'm going to take them out, so we'll come back then, okay? So they've had time to rest on here, they're still quite warm, but what you need to do now is remove them. The easiest way to do it is to get a knife, just go around them just to make sure they're not stuck with a bit of cheese.
May I ask a question?
Of course you can.
Did you butter the inside of the tray as well, or is that the butter on the bread that?
It's literally just the butter on the bread.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just asking.
And then they just pop out. Look at that.
Wow.
How easy was that? Let's do another one to show you, and then I'll do the rest. They look really good, don't they? They look really cute.
Yeah.
They pop out nice and easy. So let's get the last one out. There we go. Now what you need to do is just let them rest for 20 minutes, and then when we come back, they will be presented to you on a nice board. There you go. Take it all in. Right, let's try these things, shall we? Come on then. Mmm. Mmm.
Gotta go now.
There you have it, my deep pan mini pizzas. These will grace any buffet table. Make them, enjoy them, and you will love them. Lots of love. Mwah!